Alright, now let's talk about screen overlays and how you can quickly use them to add some cool effects to your level or trigger cool events within your level. They're pretty simple. We just add an entity here. It's going to be environment screen overlay. Just add it anywhere in our level. And we can name it if you want to trigger its actions on or off, so we'll just call it screen overlay 1. And you set what overlay it is and the duration. And you can actually get 10 different overlays that happen in succession. Once the first one's over, the second one will start after your predefined time and so on. If you only have 1 or 2 set, the last one will stay until you turn off the overlay using a trigger or other method. Just going to paste in one here that I know that's fun. It's kind of a drugged out look. Apply that guy in the effects folder, tpifx, tpifx.vmt. Any material can be used as an overlay, but some are actually meant to be used as overlays. And it is possible, of course, to create your own textures for use as overlays, which we're not going to quite get into here, but take a look at the ones that exist and do some investigation. And we'll probably have some disc out soon about creating custom materials, and this is one of those types of materials. So let's just try this one, a simple drug effect, to check it out. We could add a couple other ones. We could just duplicate this effect and change the overlay name that it is, or we could actually add a second overlay in the sequence of overlays that we want to use, but I just want these to be one at a time. So there's another guy, just take out the underscore and F2. It's kind of a red screen, and we'll name it different. We'll name this one overlay 2. Just set up a couple triggers to turn these on. Let's see, we've set up these little guys right in the stairs here, so when we cross these bounds, these different effects will happen here. Let's just put this guy right over the stairs. Alright. Somewhere in there, you can make it a little volumetric, so a little bigger volume so people don't just jump over it. Trigger, texture, apply that. Oop. Tie it to an entity. Going to make it a trigger. Just do a trigger once. Apply, and we'll add an output. It is on trigger. We'll find our overlay 1. We're going to apply that. Make sure we get just the right options there. There we go. We're going to start overlays. Apply, and then we'll just add another output that turns that off. So we'll switch from start overlays to stop overlays, and we'll just give it a few seconds. Just check it out for 5 seconds or so. So let's duplicate this trigger. Put it on the other side there. Bring up its properties, and we'll go to its outputs, and we'll just change the target entity. So we're going to target 2. And the same thing for our stop in 5 seconds. We'll target 2. Apply. Save our map. Save it as 4 rooms overlays, screen overlays. Save. Run the map. Let's check out what happens when we hit these triggers. Okay, just select the guy. I don't remember what side we place each of those triggers on, to tell you the truth. I think the drugged out look might have been on the axis side, so we'll probably hit the red screen first. And let's wait to get going.
The enemy's trying to push through us.
Alright, here we go. So we'll hit this trigger here. Whoa, yeah, what is this? We just get this weird kind of red haze thing going on over our screen. Okay, it's over 5 seconds. Just to trigger once, so it only happens one time. Then we hit this guy. Whoa, drugged out. Woo. So that's a fun one. And it's over. It's quick. Alright, those are screen overlays. You can play with them. Check out different versions. There's a huge list of different effects in the support files. Take a look online, see if anyone's come up with any others. And just experiment with how they're triggered. They can have some pretty cool effects. And you can use an actually pretty cool effect in multiplayer games as well.